Is someone trying to belittle, crush, or humiliate you? So, what should you really do? Most people either get angry and retaliate or silently accept it, but neither makes you stronger. The true, powerful response is something they never expect. There will always be people in life trying to pull you down, at work, at school, even sometimes within your closest circle. But there's one thing you must never forget. True strength lies in how you respond. Today, we'll talk about how to stand tall against those who try to crush you and how to win without falling into their traps. If you're ready, let's begin. 1. The power of silence. Sometimes the most effective response is no response at all. They expect an outburst from you, anger, a reaction. But the calmer you remain, the stronger you become. Remember, silence is sometimes the biggest answer, especially against someone who tries to provoke you. Your silence forces them to question themselves, and when they can't figure you out, it unsettles them even more. 2. Show your confidence. To avoid being crushed, you must be confident. Don't break eye contact, stand tall, and speak with a steady voice. People can sense your attitude. When you are confident, no one can overpower you. Remember, a strong stance isn't just about words. It's also about body language. Stand tall, push your shoulders back, and take control of the energy in the room. 3. Set your boundaries. If someone disrespects you, don't be afraid to set your boundaries. Show your stance with a simple but powerful sentence. You can't talk to me like that. Or, I won't allow this. When people realize you can stop them, they step back. Speaking clearly and assertively shows the other person that you are strong, and they will respect you more. 4. Beat them at their own game. People who try to put you down are often hiding their own insecurities. Without falling into their trap, you can stand strong and expose their true selves. Sometimes, the best response is simply a confident smile. Remember, some people try to elevate themselves by belittling you, but when you refuse to play their game, their plan falls apart. Remember, the people who try to bring you down are actually afraid of your rise. With your silent but firm stance, your confidence, and by setting boundaries, you can give them the best response. Now, how you stand against those who try to pull you down is entirely up to you. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.